Hello everybody, this is Atoshi and welcome back to the channel Atoshi'sEdulore English for All. The theme for the idioms for this week is time. And the first idiom for today is time flies. Now time flies is an overused idiom, yet it is quite a popular one. Time flies means time that passes quickly. The period of time that passes surprisingly quickly can be referred as time flies. The period that passes surprisingly quickly. For example, time flies when we have fun with friends. How true it is. When you enjoy with your friends, you really don't realize how time flies. I guess it's 10 years since I last saw you. How time flies. Time flies when we play with friends. The kids are grown up and ready to move out of the house. How time flies. The first recorded use of this idiom was in 1800. The next idiom for today is just the opposite of time flies. Time hangs heavy. This means time that takes or that passes very slowly. It's too difficult to pass a particular time period can be called as time hangs heavy. When time hangs heavy, seconds are like minutes, minutes like hours, hours like days, days like weeks, weeks like months, and months like years. Time hangs heavy. Time hangs heavy when we attend a boring lecture. How true it is. Time hangs heavy when we need to wait for someone. Oof, waiting for someone is really boring. And we feel as if time has stopped to pass. So time hangs heavy. Time hanged heavy during the lockdowns. Now when we were locked inside our homes, we felt as if time wasn't passing. So we can better describe it by saying time hanged heavy. Time flies on the weekends, whereas time hangs heavy on the weekdays. When it is Saturday and Sunday, time flies. But when it is Monday and it's weekdays, we feel as if time has stuck. So time hangs heavy. So now in this video, you have learned 2 new idioms. Now it's your turn to quickly frame a sentence and write it below. And yes, I'll be again back with a new idiom. Till then, take care, bye-bye. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.